front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Split screen is one of my favorite features to use if I wanna multitask, and to use it on this Samsung you need to begin by launching any app you wanna use in the background. So basically click on it and tap on this button with 3 lines. Now with your app opened in the background, you can click on the icon of it and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Open in split screen view and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at once. Now, if you want to go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe both, or you can use this line in the middle. Just hold those 3 dots and drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left. Then tap on Home button to close remaining one. Additionally, if you want to stick around, I can show you my favorite thing about split screen. By clicking on those 3 dots, you can not only switch your apps. So if you want this one to be on the right now, just click on the icon. But you can also choose this star. After tapping on it, you will access this pop-up, Add App Pair to Taskbar or Home Screen. If you click on one of those, you can go back and then you will find the shortcut. It can be here, or if you have a taskbar, it will be available there. Either way, now when you click on your shortcut, you can access those 2 apps in split screen view instantly. If you want to remove it, you can always hold it and tap on Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!